Understanding muscle memory in simple terms. Muscle memory refers to the ability of muscles to remember movements after repeated practice. It involves the brain and nervous system learning motor tasks to the point where they become automatic. The more a movement is practiced, the less conscious effort is required to perform it, allowing the body to perform tasks with greater efficiency and precision. The role of the brain in muscle memory. The brain plays a central role in muscle memory. It stores motor patterns in areas like the motor cortex and cerebellum. These brain regions are responsible for coordinating movements. As movements are repeated, the neural pathways become stronger and more efficient, making the execution of those movements quicker and smoother over time. Neuroplasticity and muscle memory. Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to reorganize and form new neural connections. This process is key to muscle memory. When you practice a specific movement, such as playing an instrument or learning a sport, your brain strengthens the neural connections that control those actions. With repeated practice, these pathways become deeply ingrained, allowing movements to be performed without much thought. The role of the central nervous system. The central nervous system, CNS, plays a crucial role in muscle memory. When you perform an action repeatedly, the CNS learns how to coordinate the signals sent to your muscles. Over time, this coordination becomes more efficient, allowing the muscles to respond more quickly and with greater accuracy to the same movement. Motor learning and memory formation. Motor learning is the process by which the brain acquires and refines movement skills. This is the foundation of muscle memory. As you learn and refine a movement, your brain records the action as a series of steps. Once these steps are practiced enough, they become automatic, requiring less conscious thought to execute them. Myelination and faster movement. One of the physical aspects of muscle memory involves myelination, which is the process of coating nerve fibers with a fatty substance called myelin. This coating increases the speed and efficiency of nerve signals, allowing for faster and more precise movements. As you practice a movement, more myelin is laid down, improving your ability to perform that movement with greater speed and accuracy. How repetition strengthens muscle memory. Repetition is a key factor in building muscle memory. The more you practice a skill, the stronger the neural connections become. This repetition helps consolidate the motor pathways in the brain and nervous system, making the movement easier to perform. This is why athletes, musicians, and dancers often engage in hours of practice to perfect their skills. The impact of sleep on muscle memory. Sleep plays a vital role in strengthening muscle memory. During sleep, the brain processes and consolidates the movements you've practiced during the day. This helps solidify the neural connections needed to perform the action with less effort. A good night's sleep after learning a new skill can significantly improve performance. Why muscle memory is both helpful and limiting. Muscle memory is useful because it allows tasks to become automatic, freeing up cognitive resources for other tasks. However, it can also be limiting. If you develop poor habits or incorrect techniques, these too can become ingrained through muscle memory, making it difficult to unlearn or correct the mistakes later on. Rebuilding muscle memory after a break. If you've taken a break from a particular activity, muscle memory can help you get back to your previous skill level more quickly than if you were learning the skill from scratch. Although some loss of proficiency occurs, the brain and muscles retain the motor patterns, and with practice, those connections can be reactivated, speeding up the relearning process.